I'm David, service tech at Village Home Stores, and my top pick would be the fresh cleaning tablets. Throw them in the washer, start it up and let it go. Grab your cleaning wipes too, wipe down the front seal of your front loader, and stop on in at Village today and pick them up.
My name is Jeff, service technician at Village Home Store since 2001. My pick is Excelsior detergent. A few reasons why I pick it: there's no fillers and dyes. Some of those additives that they put in the detergents cause odors and the buildup in your wash machine. And with this detergent, we don't get the odors and buildup that you would on with normal detergents. So my pick is Excelsior detergent, and we keep it in stock, so stop by and pick some up.